Hello everyone, this is P. Mabu Hussain, working as a technical trainer in Narasimha Reddy Engineering College. Here in this video, we are going to briefly discuss about the two-pointer technique. So two-pointer technique is an efficient problem-solving technique which is used for the arrays and string problems. And in this two-pointer technique, we will be having two pointers or two indices which will iterate through the array or which will iterate through the string, and we will find the best possible solution. So whenever you use the two-pointer technique, this two-pointer technique will reduce the time complexity of the problem from O of n squared to O of n. In some problems, the time complexity may be in O of n squared will be having. So in such a case, if you want to reduce the time complexity, then we use this two-pointer approach, and this time complexity will be reduced from O of n squared to O of n. Then how to work with this two-pointer approach? Generally, to work with two-pointer approach, we will be initializing two integer pointer variables I, j, or left, right. So generally, this I is one pointer which is generally starting from the 0th index of the array or 0th index of the string, and j will be sometimes it may be starting from the same j is equal to 0, or sometimes it may be starting at the end of the array. So which is at n minus 1. Length of the n here is the length of the array or length of the string. Okay, in the same way, instead of using the variables I and j, sometimes we may use the variables as left and right also. So these are the just variables I and j, and left or right are the variables. You can use any other variables also instead of these. So just remember that in two pointer technique, we use two variables which point to the certain index of a array or string, and then so we will be having the while iterating through the array. So we'll check this condition, and until this condition is true, we will be iterating over the array and move the pointers based on the some condition. Okay, so this is the approach of what we follow for the two pointer technique. Now types of two pointer approaches are given here. So there are mainly two types of approaches will be there in two pointer technique. So one is opposite direction pointers. That means if you take any string, let us take array say car. Now also in first technique, what we will do is we will point the two pointers I and j at the starting and the end of the given string, or in the same way in the array also the same. Okay, so now what we do is we will traverse based on the condition. We will traverse these two arrays either in the opposite direction. So I will be going forward, j will be coming backward. So that means those two are in opposite direction. Those two are moving in the opposite direction. So this is one way of problem solving approach. The other one is same direction pointers also. Sometimes what we do, so 1 2 3 4 like this. Suppose if the array is there, and if you want to find out the duplicates or remove the duplicates, in such a case we will start from the pointers from the same position. So that means I and j will be pointing to the 0th index of the array or 0th index of the string, and we will move these two pointers. One is at a slower rate and one is at a faster rate. So then we can solve the problems. Generally, this type of slow and fast pointers are used in problems such as removing the duplicates, or in linked list we will find the middle elements by using this slow and fast pointer technique. Okay, so and sometimes so fixed and moving pointers also we may be using. So sometimes one pointer may be fixed, the other pointer will be moving along the string or along the array, and we will solve the solutions. Okay, these are the three approaches what we will use in the two pointer technique. Depending upon the problem, we need to choose which one is best. Okay. Next, I have given here one simple example. So reverse an array by using two pointer technique. How we can do? Okay. So the array input is given here 1 2 3 4. Then we need to get the reverse of the array 4 3 2 1. So here what we need to do, we need to swap left and right and move inward to the inward. So that means I will explain here. So here we are taking one array 1 2 3 4. Now I'm solving this problem by using the first approach, taking two pointers and making them opposite to each other and moving them opposite to each other. So let us start one pointer here, I, another pointer j here. Okay, I is starting from the index 0 and j is starting from the length -1. Okay, so then what we do, so for now first in the first iteration, so till when we need to move this pointer, we need to write the condition while I less than j. As long as I is less than j, what we do, we'll move the pointers. Okay, so in opposite direction. So first time what we do, we will be having that I and j at a start and the end of the array. Then we will swap these two. For reversing the array, we need to swap these two. So then here you will get 4, here you will get 1. So then what we do after swapping, then we will increment the I value to 1. So I will be pointing to here. Okay. So next decrement the value of j will be pointing to now here. Okay. So then again we will swap the elements at those indexes. Okay. So now I will be and 2 3 will be swapped. So 3 2 you will get. Okay. Now again in the next iteration what we do, again we will move I to here and j to here. Now these two are crossed each other. So that means the condition is becoming false. Then we will exit from the loop. So now after exiting the loop, if you observe the array here, it is a reversed array. So like this, we can solve number of problems by using the two pointer technique. And here, if you observe, so we are going through only one iteration. Sorry, in only one pass. Okay, in one single pass, you are reversing the array, and that too in place operation you are performing. So here the time complexity will be order of n only, and space complexity also or order of 1 only. So this is the main importance of the two pointer technique, which is to reduce the time complexity from O of n square to O of n. So like this, you can solve a number of problems, and you can practice number of problems like removing duplicates by using in place operation, and finding the pairs with given sum. So if you are given one array of elements, so 1 2 3 4 like this, and you will given one target t is equal to 6 like this, then you need to find the pair of elements which is equal to the target. So here 4 2 will be the pair. That pair you need to print. So so that will be solved for only for the sorted array case only. So merging two sorted arrays, so moving zeros to the end of the array, finding the maximum consecutive ones with at most k0 flips, and trapping the water problems. Okay, these all problems can be practiced through two pointer approach. Okay, so that you can get the in-depth knowledge about the two pointer technique. So thank you very much. Practice problems regularly to get the knowledge in coding. Thank you.